Hello guys, dishwasher nearly finished, and this tape measurement shouldn't be here, but anyway, I'll leave it there for now. So anyway, I got the measurement off, the tape measurement, I put it away, so right here. Dishwasher. Amke style, woo. Beautiful. Plus you see there, I washed all the dishes by my hand. Hand dishwasher. See, no more dishes. Beautiful. So yeah, nearly done. I'm draining out the water. Amke style, woo. Dishwasher. You see, it's made in Europe, guys. Made in Europe. So guys, still rolling. The machine is still working. So when the machine is finished, dishwasher and finished, I'm gonna let the steam out. Steam. Look at the steam. Thanks guys for watching. See you later.